1975 362 barrel. Carb was a little bit out of adjustment, but it's already been rebuilt, so I got the carb adjusted. Timing was a little off, took care of that. Figured out why my cruise probably don't work, since this is the cruise vacuum actuator and there's no vacuum line to it. And I don't know shit about cruise, so I'll have to ask somebody, but that's okay. But this is the, I'm sorry, it's so shaky, I'm sorry. Anyway, this is the cool part. Running like a champ. I think she's ready to go. I haven't messed with a carbureted engine in many years, but I gotta say, it's been kind of fun bringing back the old memories. Best I can tell, there ain't no kind of vacuum leaks or anything, so we're good to go. But that's one more thing down. And one more thing down before I did that. I put us a new battery in. It's a 55 amp hour battery, but it's the new style. I can't remember what they call it. Absorbed glass mat technology. I don't know. It's supposed to be able to be drained all the way down and whatnot. But I don't plan on killing it. But I got the best battery anyway. And there's the front of the engine. Looks pretty good for a 75. But okay, thanks. Yeah, I know everybody has had an old car remembers these. Old vinyl steering wheel cover with the lacy wrap around it. Well, we just replaced ours with that. Much, much nicer and a whole lot more comfortable. So, anyway, I just thought I'd show you.